Potentially hazardous pyramid-sized asteroid will make its closest flyby of our Earth for more than 100 years tomorrow, March 26. The hefty space rock 214 TN17 is large enough to wipe out a city, but it will pose no risk to our planet when it sails by this Wednesday, March 26. Researchers will monitor it carefully during its close approach. A potentially hazardous pyramid-sized asteroid about to zoom past Earth at around 48,000 miles an hour, that's 77,300 kilometers an hour, this week as it reaches its closest point to our planet in more than 100 years. But the hefty space rock poses zero risk of impacting us now or in the future, the data shows. On Wednesday, March 26, around 7:30 a.m. ET, asteroid 214 TN17 will come within 3.2 million miles of Earth, or around 13 times further away than the Moon, according to NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL. This is the closest approach predicted for the asteroid across almost 300 years of JPL simulations, which included calculations of all of its flybys between 1906 to 2200. And researchers estimate that it's around 540 feet wide. That's slightly wider than the height of the Egypt's Great Pyramid of Giza, and makes it large enough to wipe out a city if it impacted our planet. NASA classified 2014 TN17 as potentially hazardous because of its size and occasional proximity to Earth, but that does not mean it is dangerous. During the upcoming flyby, the asteroid will be too far away to be observed with a backyard telescope or stargazing binoculars, but it's large enough for researchers to study it, and the space rock is currently scheduled to be observed by NASA's Gold Star Solar System Radar GSSR system in California, which specializes in observing nearby solar system objects as they pass us by. In recent years, the GSSR telescope has helped reveal the unusual snowman shape of one asteroid, detected changes in the orbital trajectories of another, and discovered a mini-moon orbiting a third. The upcoming observations could yield similar interesting insights about 2014 TN17. And these close encounters, there are currently around 2,500 known potentially hazardous asteroids according to the International Astronomical Union's Minor Planet Center. None of them are predicted to hit our Earth anytime soon, but there are a few that will get quite close to us. One such space rock is the potential city killer asteroid 2024 YR4, which made headlines earlier this year when the chances of hitting our planet in 2032 rose as high as 3.1%. The odds of impact have since dropped to zero. However, there is still a slim chance that it may crash into our moon. Another asteroid that will have a near miss of Earth is the hefty god of chaos, the asteroid Apophis, which will come closer to our planet than some satellites in 2029. There's currently zero chance of it hitting us. Some researchers warn that this could change if its trajectory is altered by another asteroid en route to us, and we may not realize if this has happened for several years. However, this is very unlikely. In 2022, NASA's Double Asteroid Redirect Test DART mission demonstrated our ability to deflect potential devastating impacts by flying spacecraft into oncoming asteroids to alter their trajectory. However, this method would require advanced warning and lots of data on the target asteroid, which makes finding and tracking these potentially dangerous space rocks a priority, of course. This is by Harry Baker on Life Science. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.